चलो.
Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today we are unboxing the Raspberry Pi 500 and these were all sold out, but at Micro Center, my local one, they had some. So let's open this up. Right as you open it up, the first thing that you see is your Raspberry Pi 500, and I don't really like it all white, but the thing that I like, they included the SD card.
Oh wow.
Alright,
Nice.
so I'm gonna pause the video really quick and bring my 400 to compare. So this is my Raspberry Pi 400, a little bit beat up, but so let's compare the ports first. Let me move that out of the way. Alright. So as you see, it's pretty much the same, but yeah, it has the Ethernet port, and it has a GPIO pin port and 3 USB ports. I may believe this is USB-C, USB 3, and this is USB 2.0, 2.1, whatever. And then the Raspberry Pi 500 actually came in with its own SD card.
That's nice.
That's really nice. And both of them use USB-C, and they still use micro HDMI. So, yeah. Oh, and the keyboard. They changed just one thing about the keyboard. First of all, the layout. These are bolder and these are not really that much. So over here, you have to hold function and F10 to power it off. This time, the Raspberry Pi 500 came
With a power
its
button.
own. Yeah.
That's nice. But I like the older board better. It has bigger letters and lots of red. The newer one has tiny letters. And did it come with a power supply?
It didn't come with a power supply because we only bought the unit only.
Okay. बस बंद कर दूं?
Yes.